Hello, Jai Hind and good morning everyone. Today we, the cadets of Namchi Senior Secondary School under Swachh BN NCC, we took part in cleanliness and fitness drive. We took a run from our school to various places around our school, campus and also Namchi Bazaar. We emphasize and encourage people on the very important and crucial topic of cleanliness as well as fitness. Thank you.
Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or Clean India Mission is a countrywide cleanliness campaign that was started by the Government of India on 2nd October 2014. It was initiated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi with the goal of making India a clean and defecation-free country by 2nd October 2019 to coincide with the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, who was a strong believer of sanitation and cleanliness. Eliminate open defecation and manage waste efficiently, as well as create awareness about health and hygiene. Cleanliness is not limited to one person or a place. It is the responsibility of 1.2 billion Indian citizens to clean themselves as well as their surroundings to make India a clean nation in near future. The campaign still continues beyond its initial deadline, with lakhs and crores of people making an effort to achieve and promote cleanliness and hygiene in the country. And lastly, as a student myself, and most importantly, an Indian citizen, I encourage everyone to promote and participate in this campaign. And let's make our endeavor for a clean and better India a success. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Swachh Bharat, Shashak Bharat.